In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Drive. Whether you're storing personal documents or collaborating on projects, accessing your Google Drive is essential for keeping your files organized and accessible wherever you are. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Firstly, you'll want to open up your internet browser. This can be on your desktop, laptop, tablet, or even your smartphone, whichever device you prefer to use. Your internet browser could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another of your choice. Once your browser is open, head over to your search bar and type in Google Drive. Press enter and you'll see a list of search results. Next, look for the link that says drive.google.com. This is the official Google Drive page where you can access your files. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Google Drive website. In case you use Google services frequently, you might already be signed into your Google account. If so, you'll be taken straight to your Drive. However, if you are not signed in, you'll need to do that first. Once you're on the Google Drive page and you're not signed in yet, you will see a prompt asking you to select your account. If you're using a shared device, you might see several Google accounts listed. Choose the Google account you wish to use to access your Drive. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you have multiple accounts, to ensure you're logging into the correct drive where your files are stored. After selecting your account, you'll be required to type in your password. This is an important step to secure your information, so make sure you enter it correctly and ensure no one else can see it as you type. Remember, your Google account password should be strong and unique. Ideally a combination of letters, numbers and symbols to keep your account secure. Once you enter your password, click the next button. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll now be logged into your Google Drive. Here you'll see all your saved files and folders. You can now create new documents, upload files and share them with others from this space. Congratulations, you're all set and ready to work on the go. For those of you new to Google Drive, spend a little time exploring its features. You'll find it's not just a storage space, but a full suite of productivity tools that can greatly enhance your workflow. And if you run into any issues, the Google support page offers great tips and troubleshooting advice. That's it for today's tutorial on logging into Google Drive. We hope you found this guide useful and that you're now confidently accessing your files. Thanks for watching.